Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M22, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, open up Settings, scroll down to Battery and Device Care, select Storage, then tap on the three dots and navigate to Advanced, where you will find your SD card. And when you tap on it, it will give you the option to format it. Once you tap on it, it brings up a message that formatting your card will remove everything from it. So if there's anything on that card that you would like to keep, do make a copy of it somewhere else, otherwise you lose it permanently. Now, assuming you've already made a backup or you don't want to, click on Format SD card and this will instantly begin the process, which only takes a couple of seconds and should be right about done. There we go. Click on Done and there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.